What's up, everybody? Jeff Bannock here, and today we're going to be going over the customer chat feature in ManyChat. This is a new feature that just recently came out. It is pretty cool because it has the potential to replace customer chat features like Drift or potentially Intercom or something like that. So the way that you set up one of these chat features is you go down to Growth Tools and you'll open up the Growth Tools menu by clicking on that. And then at the very top right, you'll have New Growth Tool, just like every other growth tool you've picked before this one. And then you'll see down here at the bottom rightish sort of the slide out, it says Customer Chat. And you'll click on that. And when you do, it will open up a message that's like this. Now I've changed this. Here we'll go ahead and open up a new growth tool just so you can see what it looks like walk through. So you'll see it looks like this. It has the basic same welcome, first name, thank you for subscribing, next post is coming soon, stay tuned, PS if you ever want to subscribe, just type stop. That is the generic message in every ManyChat new sequence or growth tool that comes in. So we'll jump in the two that I've set up here now. Let's see here. There we go. Go to demo 1. Now I've changed this to say test demo 1. The reason why I wanted to do this is, we'll go back to the new one that I just created, is you'll see that there's not, like this is it. When you start a new growth tool, there's two options. There's opt-in actions and then the setup. There's no changing the growth tool itself. For instance, here, let me show you what it looks like. This is one of the opt-ins. If you look down in the bottom right here, you might not be able to see it because my picture is in the way. I can move my picture here. Bam, there we go. So this is what the picture should look like, or the pop-up looks like, and you can close it by hitting the X. And then it says chat now. What happens when you hit chat now is it takes you into Messenger. Well, and I'll show you right now. So we'll hit it. And as you can see, it said test 1 demo, which if we go back to ManyChat or back to my first growth tool, you'll see the first one here is just a demo, and it says test 1 demo. Now, the reason I bring that up is if we go back to the original growth tool, you'll see you can't change it. So the way that this growth tool works is it's super, super easy to set up because there are no options really other than your message itself and what sequence you can subscribe them to. Your actual setup is just like setting up for every widget that you're going to have to install this JavaScript. You're going to first come in here, put your website name, you're going to hit add, and then it'll be added to your list of authorized websites just like all these I've done before. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy. After that, you'll hit the next down at the bottom, and then it'll go to this where it says install ManyChat snippet, and you'll click copy to clipboard, and that copies this code right here. Now what you'll do is in your funnel inside of ClickFunnels, you'll go to settings and you'll paste that right here under head tracking code, and that will put it globally on every page that's in this funnel. So the cool thing about this is that also makes it this customer chat feature, because I can think for a second, live on every page just by hitting active. You don't have to put another, like with some of the growth tools, you'll have to embed a code or something like that. You don't. As soon as you put the code in the header, it will appear on every page throughout your funnel. Now, if you want to exclude certain pages, like you don't want it to appear on certain pages, you can put those URLs right here on hide on these pages. So for instance, say I didn't want it on this thank you page, I could just copy this URL here and it would pop up, or it would hide, and I put it right here, and then when I saved it, it would actually prevent it from being on that page. So one of the ways that I wanted to show you a little trick or hack that I've found out or figured out with this is if you want to make like multiple, say like for instance you have multiple pages and you want it to go through a different funnel or have a different process, as you can see here, we'll eliminate the one growth tool that I made as a demo. We've got test demo 2 and test demo 1. And now you saw on test demo 1 on our main sales page, I've got that set up. Now what I did is in test demo 2, under the setup, I hid it on this page and made it show on this page. So that way, by doing that, you can make it so that it'll only appear on certain pages. So that way, if you have a certain sequence that you want to appear with a certain chat option, you can do it that way. That way you can have multiple chat options and you're not just have the one option, which can sort of suck in certain instances. So that was one of the just hacks that I found out so far. It's super easy to install. Like I said, you literally just go install the snippet, put the code in, add your code, take this code, copy it to your clipboard, put that into the header of your ClickFunnels page or whatever you're using. In this case, it's ClickFunnels. You put in a head tracking code, and then you scroll on down. And that the reason why I'm saying this again is you can put in the head tracking code by just excluding certain pages and making sure it is on certain pages. This is going to allow you to have multiple sequences. So I hope that helped you.